In this video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Wise to GCash step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Wise app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Send button. Next, choose who you want to send the money to. If the person is already saved in your contacts, simply select their name. If not, tap on Add a recipient. Now you'll need to choose the currency. Since you're sending money to GCash in the Philippines, select Philippine Peso, PHP, as the receiving currency. After selecting PHP, tap Add a recipient. Choose the e-wallet option when asked how the recipient wants to receive the money. You'll then be asked whether you're sending to yourself or someone else. Select the appropriate option. In the e-wallet details section, enter the full name of the GCash account holder exactly as it appears in their GCash account. Next, select GCash as the wallet provider. Then enter the recipient's GCash mobile number and tap Continue. Once the recipient details are confirmed, enter the amount you want to send. Wise will show you the exchange rate, transfer fee, and the exact amount the recipient will receive in PHP. Review all the details carefully, including the name and mobile number. If everything looks correct, tap Continue and complete the payment using your selected funding method, such as bank transfer, debit card, or Wise Balance. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.